Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got a unboxing for you, rather large unboxing for you. And so I'm not going to be doing it here. I got to do it over there. So let's go over there. All right, so this is something I ordered on the suggestion of the staff sergeant from Sam's Club. They don't have it in the stores. You got to order online. So let's go ahead and get this thing here open up here. Ow, 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 ow. There we go. Alright. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Let's see what we got in here. Yes, the whole thing's one shot here. So, let me make sure it's picking this up on the camera down there low. Okay, so need this underneath. And that. All right, let's get rid of this box. All right, got little pieces of cardboard. So, let me get out my everyday carry here. And there she goes. Everything coming apart. Little spacers here to make sure that the pieces don't get damaged here. So with that, this is shelving, but it's special shelving. So this is a kind of a unique size, and so let me get these opened up here, and I'll tell you what this is for. Sure, I can get this stuff taken apart here. It has wheels. Has the shelf clip for it. Let me get paperwork. Got two safety straps, which is kind of silly if you're using the wheels. Why would you need the safety straps on it? Anyways, got the instructions and it's everything on it. So get this up here close. So that's what it looks like. And what this is for, it's not a normal shelving unit. It is a very specific shelving unit. And so each one of these shelves is the size to hold a one of those 27-gallon black and yellow or black and red lid totes. So, and it's got five shelves here, so it'll hold five totes on it. And I'm going to come back once I get it all put together here. But this is it. And so look for the video where I put it all together here, coming out here. Maybe later today, maybe on Wednesday. All right. So stay happy, stay safe, add to your preps, and have a way to store your preps. This is what this is for.